Okay, so this is what I had to do here. I had to remove that whole entire row of drive cages and all that stuff because the GPU wouldn't fit. Not sure if anybody knows of some way to space in some hard drive space, but I doubt it's going to be possible. Maybe that's going to be the only solution, is getting those hot swappable 5.5 1/4 inch to 3.5 conversion hot swappable. That's going to be the only way. But I also had to mount this Noctua fan up a little bit higher because it wasn't getting enough clearance with the RAM. Just right now it's just like sitting right on top of the RAM. But as you can hear, it's very quiet. I might have to play around with the way these fans are oriented, because I think this one feels like it's sucking, this one feels like they're blowing, so that's good. This one feels like it's also sucking here, so I think I'll have to turn this one around. So this one's blowing. Is it sucking or blowing? I think this is sucking in, so should be exhausting out the back. So I fixed this one. I'll put another fan right here. That should take care of all the airflow problems, I hope. But yeah, system is up and running. Sweet.